Alright, the real Maxx. We are here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We are going to take a spin on the Alpine mountain coaster. This is our second of the trip. We couldn't film the first one, but if I look over here, you guys can see, look at all that we're going to go down. This is apparently the longest Alpine coaster here in Pigeon Forge. We're going to go up, I believe, 4 different hills, come down 4 different hills. This is really, really fun. And I think that there might even be a tunnel in this. I gotta tell you, it's very nerve-wracking right now because, you know, we're in a plastic car right now with literally just a seatbelt from a car keeping us in. And so it's just very unnerving. It's very unnatural, I'd say. If you're looking to get on this coaster, it is about $18 per person. I think with tax it was like $18.50. Most of the other mountain coasters are about the same price. To put that into perspective, it's about a third of the cost that you can get into most theme parks.
Mountain coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Oh, here we go, guys. And we're not going to use the brakes. We're going to try to do this with no brakes today. So let's see if we can do it. We're gaining speed. Woo! Oh my God, we're flying, guys. Oh, this feels so unsafe. Oh gosh. Whoa, helix. Whoa. Guys, that was a lot of fun. That was only one hill. We have 3 more of these kind of hills to go. And I don't know if you can hear, but Thromaxer Rocco is behind us, and you just hear him having a fun back there. So this is really great. And for $18, in order, you know, to get your money's worth, they would have to make this long, I think, and they've done that. So here we go. We're going to go up the second lift. All right. Oh, and it's really cool, man. I don't know if you can see some of the stuff, but they do have like a little bit of theming. If I look over there, you can see like the general store and stuff, and that's really neat. But I do just want to say how wonky this looks. This lift hill is not one grade of steepness. It keeps changing the steepness. So we'd be up like this, and then we'd be up like this, and you're just going all different kind of elevations and all different kind of grades of steepness. So that is very weird, very different. Also, it just doesn't look like it's got footers or anything. I mean, I'm sure it does, but it just doesn't look like any traditional kind of coaster. So this is super neat, super fun.
Push your handles to go fast. The bears are coming.
Here we go. Oh, he said the bears are coming. Oh gosh, guys. Oh, look at the little bunny hopper about to go. Oh gosh. Here we go. Oh, okay. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Oh. Twisties. We're doing twisties. Whoa. Okay. Guys. Oh, that's so much fun. Okay, so that was hill number 2. And now we're about to go up hill number 3. But I will say, this is really, really fun, guys. And for some reason, if you look up here, what does it say? Does a bear pee in the woods? Heck yes. Huh, interesting. What an interesting theme. European bears. Oh, that's fun. That's funny. And look at this. See how the grade changes of steepness? Very unnatural. Very weird. Oh, but we do get some tunnel action. Tunnel credit. Oh, got some music playing out here. That's fun. What's in the shed? What's in the shed, guys? I'm not gonna lie, I would love to have one of these in my backyard. This would be so much fun. Also, comment down below. I am not sure who made these, so comment below who manufactured this. And, you know, I wonder how much money these cost to make, because it doesn't look like it would cost that much compared to a traditional roller coaster. You know, it looks like it'd be a cheaper alternative. I'll also be honest, I'm very surprised that smaller theme parks, stuff like Dollywood and that have mountains, don't do something like this, because this would be fantastic, I feel like. But maybe they already have too much competition for these types of things. Okay, and I just released the brakes.
Hey, you made it to the top. Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
And here we go, guys. Okay, we got some dips and some twisties. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Oh, wow! Okay, guys, we're picking up a lot of speed. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, we got a really, really, really cool helix coming up. Oh! Here we go. Woo! Okay. Alright, guys. And looks like this is going to be our 4th and final hill that we're going to go up. These are a lot of fun, man. I gotta tell you, I'm really enjoying this right here. I wish we didn't have to go up 4 mountains and then back down. I wish we could just go like really stupid high up in the air and then just like come down this thing. That would be really fun. Alright. And so this is the last one. Let's see if this is the best of them all. I'm hoping so. I will say that going around those turns, it really does have a feeling of, oh man, we're about to fly right off the track on this one. So that is unnerving. But other than that, I mean, this really is a fantastic ride, guys. If you come down here to Pigeon Forge, you should definitely do that. And I suggest keeping your handles forward, because that's what they call the go position. If you pull them back, you apply the brakes. It's a lot funner if you just keep them forward and just use no brakes whatsoever. And here we go. We're going into the mine shaft.
Hey, the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Push your handles forward now.
Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, man. Big helix. Oh, we're gaining a lot of speed. A lot of speed. Okay. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, that feels like we're coming off the tracks. Oh, God. Oh, God. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. We have to start slowing up. Okay. Woo. That was really cool, man. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun, man.